Right now, as you scroll through your phone, a city-killing space rock is hurtling toward us at 45,000 miles per hour. Scientists call it Asteroid 224YR4, but in 8 years, we might be calling it Doomsday. On December 22, 2032, there's a 1 in 50 chance it could slam into Earth with the force to erase an entire city. Lagos, Tokyo, or maybe yours. Here's the terrifying part. In just weeks, it will vanish from our telescopes until 2028. Our last chance to stop it? The next 97 days. Meet Dr. Emily Carter, a fictional astronomer working at the Very Large Telescope in Chile. Since she found asteroid YR4, she has missed her daughter's birthday 3 times. Every morning, she says, I video call my 7-year-old in Chicago. She asks, will the space rock hit my school? I don't lie. I tell her we're working day and night to find out. Her team includes 8,000 scientists from 30 countries, all racing against time. They can't reset the clock. In 2022, NASA's DART mission showed that we can push asteroids. But YR4 is different. It weighs 5 million tons. Stopping it would be like stopping a freight train with a ping pong ball. Dr. Carter is not alone. She is part of a global team of scientists and engineers working to protect Earth. Every day brings new challenges, but they never give up. They know the stakes are huge for everyone on this planet. Picture a calendar flipping fast to April 2025. When YR4 disappears from view, uncertainty begins. Impact tests showed 2 nightmares. If it hits the Indian Ocean, 300+ foot tsunamis could flood Mumbai and other coastal cities in minutes. If it hits land, the explosion, 15 megatons of energy equal to 1,000 Hiroshima bombs, would leave a crater visible from space and destroy entire regions. But there is hope. Secret labs from Colorado to Kyoto are creating humanity's first planetary shield. The technology? Kinetic impactors, giant space battering rams that crash into the asteroid to change its path. Gravity tractors? Special ships that pull the asteroid slowly using gravity. The cost? $330 million. Less than 1 fighter jet. But some people doubt these missions. They say the money should go to poverty or climate change instead. What they don't realize is that an asteroid could make these problems worse by destroying cities and forcing millions to flee. This isn't about saving Earth. Asteroids hit every day. They are part of space. This is about saving us. Our stock markets, street food stalls, first kisses, and dreams for the future. YR4's path crosses the Eastern Pacific to South Asia, putting over 24 million people in Lagos and 15 million in Kolkata at direct risk. Even a near miss could cause panic. In 2029, when asteroid Apophis flies past Earth at just 19,000 miles, closer than many satellites, experts predict a $2 trillion market crash from supply chain fears alone. But there is good news. We found YR4 8 years early because of better telescopes and teamwork across countries. The dinosaurs had 0 minutes when their asteroid hit. We have time. If we act now. Right now, world leaders face a huge decision. Launch a mission by 2026 to stop the asteroid, or take a risk with evacuation plans that may not work if impact comes too fast. The European Space Agency has a plan. 12 spacecraft with high-tech AI-guided rockets for precise targeting. NASA's idea? A nuclear-pulsed Hail Mary probe that would explode near the asteroid, changing its path without creating dangerous falling debris. But politics is in the way. Some say the $330 million should go to feeding the hungry or fighting climate change. Astronomers disagree. They warn that one asteroid impact could create more hungry people than any relief effort could ever fix. Meanwhile, engineers work non-stop in secret labs across the world, giving everything to stop this disaster. One engineer in New Mexico said, "My wife threatened divorce if I didn't come home for dinner soon. I told her, if we fail, there won't be anyone left to file the papers." This story isn't just about scientists in labs or engineers working day and night. It's about you, the person watching this right now. That street vendor in Lagos praying for customers, The Tokyo salaryman missing his kid's recital, they are all part of this story. And you have a role too. Public support is key. It funds telescopes and research to help us understand these space threats. Social media pressure can push leaders to act faster instead of letting bureaucracy slow things down. Next month, when the Space Mission Planning Advisory Group meets to discuss how to stop YR4, your voice matters more than you think. Because YR4's biggest lesson? Space doesn't care about borders or politics. A rock doesn't check passports before it falls. Let's end with numbers that haunt astronomers. 2.3%, the highest ever chance of a city-killer asteroid hitting Earth. 72 hours, the time needed to evacuate Lagos, a city of 24 million people. 8 years since NASA's DART test, the only planetary defense test we have. 1 generation. With the technology and duty to stop mass extinction, the dinosaurs never saw their asteroid coming. They had no warning, no technology, no way to stop it. We have no excuse. One day, when your grandkids ask, "What did you do when the warning came?" What will you say? This isn't science fiction. It's real. A test of whether we have truly evolved, from tribal apes to planetary guardians who can protect our home from space threats. As we reach June 2025, when the launch window opens, the question isn't just, will it hit? It's, will we act? Let's make sure that future generations don't just see fear, but courage, a united effort full of hope to protect our planet and everyone on it.